Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are gonna be talking about how do tunnels get built. In today's video we are gonna be talking about how do tunnels get built. Okay, let's say one day you're going on some train or you're on a car on some highway and you have to go through a tunnel. But have you ever wondered, how do the tunnels get built, and while they're building, why doesn't it just collapse? Okay, well, in today's video we're going to be talking about how. Okay, so here is more or less a step-by-step on how they get built. So step one is that the engineers will look at the place they have to dig up, so like the ground and the works, all rocks, dirt, water, soil, and everything like that will all be there, okay? And the engineers will plan where they should put the tunnel so that way it's the best and safest and easiest way possible, okay? So once they plan out where they want to dig the tunnel, that's actually the next part, the digging part. How do they dig through the ground or the mountain or whatever, okay? Well, there are primarily two ways. TBMs, which are known as tunnel boring machines, or the drill and blast technique, okay? Let's first look at the first one. TBMs, okay? Tunnel boring machines, okay, are these big, heavy machines that are used to dig through the wall, mountains, or earth, okay, like worms, okay, but they're super big and they are very effective, okay, so they'll just go through it, okay. And again, that's one way to make a tunnel. Another way is using the drill and blast technique. It's when a bunch of holes are drilled into the wall, okay, and then they put dynamite, TNT, or just any explosive, okay, in a controlled way and blow up the entire area, okay? Then they will take out the debris, okay? And for example, with TBMs, they'll be taken out through an inbuilt conveyor, an inbuilt conveyor belt, okay, that will push all the debris out, or they'll be taken away by trucks or rail carts. And then after that, now they've actually made the tunnel, now we actually have to strengthen it so that way it doesn't collapse on itself. So after that, they either put concrete over the tunnel walls or steel beams, okay, just to make the tunnel itself more stronger. And then finally, the last thing they'll do is put in the road that they're supposed to put, a road, railway track, and put in some lights so you could actually see through the tunnel, and some ventilation so that way there is no air, so that way there's fresh air you can breathe, okay? And then the tunnel is opened for public use, or whatever use it's made for. And that's basically how tunnels get built. And that's, well, basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.